Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make yourself feel at home. Today is a day I never thought I'd see. I am going to be making a piece that everyone and their mother is currently wearing, and their mother probably wore this in the 90s. I am going to be making a maxi denim skirt. I never thought I'd see the day when I'd be making this. But this 90s piece, is it from the 90s or the 70s? I'm not sure, but it's back in fashion. She's trending again, okay? And she's bigger and better than ever. She's long, she's beautiful, she's giving everything. And I'm actually really excited for this trend. I love it so much. And I want to partake in it, but I don't want to spend my coins. I don't need to. I can make one myself, and so can you. So hold on to your purse and save that coin. If you have jeans lying around, I'm going to show you how to turn them into a maxi denim skirt. That way you can take part in the trend without spending more coins, because that's what this channel is all about. Anyway, now that we know what we're doing today, let's get right into the DIY. So today's victim is this ASOS pair of jeans. I remember thrifting them and thinking, wow, they fit my hips. They don't fit my waist as much as I'd love them to, but I can adjust them. So I ended up buying them, thinking I'd wear them, but they've just been sitting in my closet. So they're perfect for this project. And this is what we'll be making today, this beautiful denim skirt. It's giving party at the front and business at the back, and I'm so here for that vibe. Like if you have to go to church at 7 a.m. and then a club at 8 a.m., this is the kind of skirt you'd wear. I'm kidding. Please don't get offended. But look at how beautiful this maxi denim skirt is. I love that I maintained some of the structure at the front, so it looks really fashionable, really cute in my opinion. And now it's time to show you how to make your own so that we can be cute together and slay this summer. So they're the pair of jeans. I'm about to destroy them. They're pleading for their life, but I am here saying this has to be done. So first thing I'm doing is I'm going to cut along the inner seam just to open the pants up. I need them to tell me their issues so that I can be their personal therapist. Do I have a degree in therapy? No. Does that stop me from trying to be a personal therapist? Also no. So yeah, once the jeans were opened, they felt better. They'd offloaded quite a lot, so they were happy. Now it's time to do the back, and I'm going to do the same exact thing, cut along that main seam. And you can see I'm avoiding it because I want to maintain some of that when I have my skirt. When I got to the belt loop, I seam ripped her out of my way. She was giving me intense energy, and she needed a minute to calm down and come to me right and correct. After she was gone, I split my jeans into two, and now you're going to open this up, and it's going to look weird. It's going to seem like you don't know what you're doing, but trust the process. Trust the vision, baby girl, okay? Now we're going to work on the back. So I'm going to pin the two fabrics together just to make sure they're aligned and not moving about. And here is where I was playing a game that I didn't know how it would end. I went in with a straight line, and then I thought, you've got a butt, so it's needing shape at the back. Don't do this. Just go into the straight line and sew along the straight line. So sew along this edge, sew along the straight line, and go straight down just to get rid of the excess fabric. Don't do what I did, okay? Don't do as I do, do as I say. So sew this and try it on. See how you like it. If it doesn't fit right, go back to the sewing machine and sew again and again. It's trial and error. You have all the time in the world to do this, okay? By the way, I did a basic straight stitch at the sewing machine, and as you can see, I went back in and sewed along the straight line, and now I'm going to cut off that excess fabric because you don't need that. It's going to make the skirt look a bit bulky at the back. So if you have a serger, do your serged edge, but I don't, so I'm going to do a zigzag stitch along this edge and go all the way down. This is to prevent further fraying of your fabric and to make sure she stays in her place. So once the zigzag stitch was done, this is what she looked like, and she's giving good energy, good vibes. She's a best friend. Now it's time to go back to the waistband and ask for forgiveness because we need her to talk to us again, and we can join her back together because we destroyed her life and her home. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the right sides kissing, and I just pinned this in place so that the fabric wouldn't slip and slide and play games at the sewing machine. And I'm going to sew along that edge just to join the two pieces together, just as it was intended. method, you know? And once that's sewn, I'm going to tuck that back in, and I'm going to tuck in everything and sew at the bottom just to make it look like it was before, and no one will know we destroyed everything before fixing it back together. I also sewed back the belt loop. This was actually quite difficult because it's quite bulky fabric, so just do what you have to do. And now it's time to move to the front. So we're going to cut along the seam. By now you know the drift. We're cutting and maintain the edge. Cut on the other side of the seam. Leave the seam alone, don't touch it. That bulky seam is going to give you that beautiful detail at the front. So the trick with the front is just laying the fabric on top of each other until it's completely flat, and then pin that in place, and this is literally it. So you're going to take this to your sewing machine and you're going to sew along that side that I'm showing you, and this is to maintain the original structure of the jeans, and it looks quirky, you look different, it looks beautiful. I love it. So at the sewing machine, I will not lie, this was a battle. I felt like I was fighting for my life, but eventually it got done. And guess what? You are done with making your beautiful skirt. And here she is. I love this skirt so much. I love the front, especially. It's just giving sexy, but it's still modest, you know? So that's it, guys. That's the DIY. I promised you simple, and simple I delivered. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you'll be making this skirt for yourself. I guarantee you could do this in your sleep. Your mother could do it. Your child could do it. Even your cat can do this DIY. I promise you. Anyway, that's it for today. But before you go, if you want ideas on how to style this denim skirt, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below, because I have so many outfit ideas and I would love to share them, but I want you to want me to share them, if that makes sense. So let me know and I'll be very happy to do that video. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. But in the meantime, I'll catch you in the comments. Bye.